If you're trying to buy a solid used car in the US without blowing your budget, this video is for you. Today, we're looking at 5 of the best used cars under $10,000 that are reliable, affordable to maintain, and actually worth buying in 2025. All the cars in this list are popular across the US, easy to find, and proven to last well past 150,000 miles when properly maintained. Let's start with number 5. Number 5 is the Honda Civic. The Honda Civic has been one of America's favorite compact cars for decades. If you're working with a budget under $10,000, the 2013 to 2016 model years give you the best mix of reliability and modern features. Most Civics in this price range come with Honda's famous 1.8-liter engine. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it is extremely dependable, great on gas, and cheap to maintain. In fact, Civics are known for hitting 200,000 miles with no major issues as long as regular maintenance was done. Inside, the Civic gives you a surprisingly comfortable cabin for a compact car. The seats are supportive, the layout is simple, and the visibility is great for city driving. These years also come with Bluetooth, a decent infotainment setup, and solid safety ratings. Insurance is inexpensive, parts are everywhere, and mechanics in the US know these cars inside and out. That means cheaper repair bills, faster service, and less stress for first-time buyers or anyone driving on a budget. If you want something reliable with almost no drama, the Civic is a fantastic choice. Number 4, Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is one of the safest used car choices in the entire US market. If you're looking for a midsize sedan that's comfortable, reliable, and cheap to keep running, the 2012 to 2015 Camry should be on your radar. These models come with Toyota's legendary 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It's not flashy, but it's smooth, efficient, and built to last. Many Camrys easily reach 250,000 miles with basic maintenance like oil changes and brake service. One thing Americans love about the Camry is the comfort. The ride is soft, the cabin is spacious, and the rear seats have plenty of room for adults. If you're doing long commutes, road trips, or just want something comfortable for everyday life, the Camry handles it well. Repairs are straightforward, parts are cheap, and Toyota's reliability record speaks for itself. In 2025, it's still one of the best values in the used car world. Number 3, Ford Fusion. The Ford Fusion is a great option if you want a modern feel without paying modern prices. These cars are everywhere in the US, which makes them easy to find and usually cheaper than their Japanese competitors. For under $10,000, you can usually get a 2014 to 2018 Fusion. These models come with a comfortable interior, a smooth ride, and a solid amount of tech for the price. Things like backup cameras, touchscreen systems, Bluetooth connectivity, and good safety ratings. Insurance is inexpensive, parts are cheap, and mechanics in the US know these cars inside and out. That means cheaper repair bills, faster service, and less stress for first-time buyers or anyone driving on a budget. If you want something comfortable, classy-looking, and budget-friendly, the Fusion is a great pick. Number 2, Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is one of the best all-around cars you can buy in the US. It's bigger and more powerful than the Civic, and it's been known for years as a dependable family sedan that can handle heavy mileage. The 2012 to 2015 models offer strong engines, a spacious cabin, and great long-term durability. Accords often last over 250,000 miles with no major issues, especially the four-cylinder versions. On the road, the Accord feels solid and stable. The steering is responsive, the brakes are strong, and the overall driving experience is just a step above most cars in this price range. If you want something that can handle commuting, road trips, and everyday driving for years to come, the Accord is hard to beat. Number 1, Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is the number 1 pick for this list because it hits every category buyers care about: reliability, low cost, fuel efficiency, and cheap maintenance. For under $10,000, the 2014 to 2017 Corolla gives you a reliable engine, strong fuel economy, and a cabin that's simple but practical. These cars are known for being extremely easy to own. They rarely break down, parts are inexpensive, and repairs are quick and affordable anywhere in the US. Corollas also hold their value well, which means you won't lose money quickly if you decide to sell it later. If you want a worry-free car that's perfect for commuting, Uber, daily driving, or long-term ownership, the Corolla is your safest bet. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more US car breakdowns, buying tips, and reviews. Drop a comment and tell me which car you're thinking about buying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.